Good morning from Seoul. Today we're gonna head to, please help me,
Seongsu Cafe Street.
So we're gonna check out what does this area has to offer, what are some of the nice cafes around there. Maybe we can find something where you have a cake, coffee, but first
I'm hungry.
I'm also hungry, so we need some lunch. Let's go. See you at the lunch place. After a heavy meal, there's always room for dessert. So now we're heading to
Seongsu Cafe Street. This is a really bustling, hip area in Seoul right now. So I've never been there. Let's go and then try to find out how hip this place is.
Or screw the hipness. Let's just get some cakes. Let's go.
That's also sounds good.
Fall that I will end up alone.
They are selling fresh Spielgels in a really fancy fancy shop. This is something in Germany you can see everywhere.
And that's a little bit funny because this is what we have at home and we usually buy from the local German shop, so a bit funny.
This is it, look. Super expensive. In Germany it's like €4. Here almost over €10. This is crazy.
Oh, no way.
Oh no!
Well, it's even better, they have Estonian beer. Okay, I love this shop.
They have Põhjala.
Never expected to find Estonian beer in a Korean shop. Oh, I didn't know that I will meet my friends here.
Oink 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 oink.
Who would have known, huh? Crazy. Funny thing, when Kayon kept saying we're gonna go to a coffee street, I understood like she made this up, but actually it seems that it is called officially the coffee street or cafe street. Which one? Cafe or coffee?
Whatever.
Whatever, they have cafes and they have coffee, so makes sense, huh? Huh?
Welcome to the ending.
Fuck. Okay, so this is a door, and I was looking, I thought this is the entrance, but as you can see, this small thing that doesn't look even like a door, it's just a poster. So that's the way you can get to the cafe.
A modern writing on the wall while I am by the telephone, expecting everything to fall, and that I will end up alone. A book of Daniel all over again.
So even though it's a designated cafe area and it's meant for people just to come and enjoy the area, even though the fact it's super busy, there's so many cars driving here, so you have to be careful. You have to keep this in mind when you come with a baby, for example, that don't bring any baby carriers.
It's because still a lot of factory areas or the shoes, handmade shoes stores are mixed together. So it's not only designated cafe areas. It's because of that.
Yeah, so it's industrial meets new era hipsters, so it's all together, but it's still really nice to walk around here because the cafes, as you can see, well, they're all worth the visit. compared to Berlin?
I think price makes sense at least here. Lifetime choice.
I hate Korea. The selection is too difficult always.
In Korea, when you order something, especially from cafe, they will give you this kind of thing. It can be like round shape, it can be like this, whatever shape it is. Once your beverages are ready, it will make some sound, a zing, and then you can just bring it to the counter, and then you can give it, and then they will exchange it with your cafes or whatever beverage. Like this.
Yeah, let's go get our cakes.
Time to go.
Yep.
Modern writing on the wall while I am by the telephone, expecting everything to fall, and that I will end up alone. The book of Daniel all over again.
Wow, looks yum.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so good. Wow. I love it.
The more you chew, another flavor coming.
Yeah. It's also the outer crust also gives an extra flavor. Price is also really good.
How much is it?
This is 6,500. Altogether was what? 14 euros?
13?
13 euros?
euro about?
Yeah. Coffee is expensive.
Cafe is expensive in Korea.
먹어. 안 먹어? 아이고. Our recommendation to finish the journey at Seongsu is at Seoul Forest. It's one station away, or you can also walk from this Seongsu main area. But once you're here, you can either visit many galleries that are at the entrance, or as we can show you further, the nature. When you're at the entrance to Seoul Forest, you can see a lot of the shipping containers. Most of them contain little cool shops, but the coolest part is most of them are galleries. So when you start the journey here, hop in every single one of them, and then once you're tired of the fancy art, fancy shops, then head on to the park. The main recommendation for you is avoid Mondays, because most of the places are closed, especially the galleries. There might be some shops open, but galleries are done.
Seoul Forest opened in 2005. It seems it's the third largest park in Seoul. I've never been here before.
So welcome then.
Nice, thank you. I've heard a lot of people with their pets, especially dogs, they enjoy visiting here because it's the best place to play with your dogs.
Now every little thing that you do can seem later just like voodoo for me. I'm sleeping by the telephone.
The first impression already, the park looks huge.
I thought we walked quite a lot and then we just started. We are just here. And we have this much left to walk.
This place is also good for exercising. I love it. Run. you get tired of walking at the park, why not get some tteokbokki, sundae, and some crunchy bits.
They gave me this little cute tiger hand shaped tongue as well, so that I can cut tigim.
Because tiger and dragon needs a tiger.
They knew it.
The book of Daniel all over again.
I think we just found our picnic table. I don't know if you can hear this, but in parks in South Korea, when you walk around, they play classical music from the speakers. Can you dance? Well, actually, I don't mind this at all. It's pretty relaxing. You walk, you have some classic music. If you want, you can dance the Swan Lake. It definitely fits to the park relaxing atmosphere more than just techno blasting in the middle of the park. Hey Berlin, huh? We are finishing now our Seongsu trip here at the Seoul Forest. The sun is setting, and for us it's time to go home now. So don't forget to like and subscribe for other videos, and
See you next time.
up
Ciao.
ciao.
Oh, what a wicked twist of fate.